First off, I'm just gonna start, you know what? First off, I'm gonna use my coconut oil and I'm gonna moisturize my face a little bit. Just a tad. You don't want your face to be all oily. Just a little bit. I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Primer. Like, I love this primer. Y'all know. It's like it just seals up your pores. Like it just closes all your pores. Now I'm just gonna be taking my LA Girl Pro and the shade. I don't know why I'm looking at this like I don't use the same shade to do my brows. I'm gonna be taking Porcelain with an e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just gonna go under the brow and line it, and then the top. Looks a little light around because of the porcelain is very light, but we're not gonna worry about that because we're gonna cover it up real good with our foundation. So some people actually carve out their brows with their foundation. You can do that as well. It's just whatever works for you, whatever you like. I'm gonna be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna set my lids with that. I'm gonna be taking my Zodiac Palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight under my brow. I'm taking this shade here. Now I'm just gonna blend the edges out. Taking from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm gonna take this white shade right here. Going back in with that brown, and I'm gonna blend it out with that white. Using this color right here. Blend it out with that brown. Just going back and forth with those 3 colors until I get what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna take Pisces. I'm gonna be putting some black in my outer crease, and I'm gonna blend it out with the brown, that light brown. Now I'm gonna take this right here and I'm gonna pop it on top of that black and blend it out. Taking that light brown that I used and I'm gonna blend on top. Just blending the edges. I'm gonna be taking this glitter right here and I wanna put it in my tear duct. I'll take a brush just as small as this right here. I'm just gonna dip this brush in there and just place it. So, to get glitter off of your face, what I will use is tape. I use tape to get like falling glitter off my face. That's what works for me. Put some of my illuminating glow in the shade Gleam. I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna do a wing. I don't know why I didn't do the wing before I put the glitter on. Now I'm going in with my Glow Baby. And I'm also taking my Total Control Drop NYX foundation in the shade Golden. I'm going to take my Warm Honey and I'm going to conceal and highlight with that. Let me blend my nose out a bit more. Highlighting with this. I'm gonna take my creamy beige and I'm gonna go on top of that Warm Honey a little bit. Ooh, I said a little. Taking my Damp Beauty sponge. And I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna take my CoverGirl loose powder, and I'm gonna set my face with that. I'm gonna be taking my True Complexion from Black Radiance, and this is the light to medium. Be contouring with this contour shade. Now I'm going to be taking a sculpt, and I'm going to brush away that powder while putting that on. Now I'm going to use my foundation brush and blend all that together. I'm gonna just blend those harsh lines. Taking my Hikari blush. Yep, blush, blush, blush. Throughout my process, sometimes I like to just go back in with my foundation brush and just blend all the little the edges of everything, just to make sure that you don't see any type of harsh lines other than other than that snatch contour line. Like, that's the only line you really want to see, but that's just me personally. Now I'm gonna go in with my Milani Baked Bronzer. Always make sure that your foundation is like you blend down here, because you don't want a little line. So now I'm gonna give a little mist spray so I can put this highlight on. And today's highlight choice is gonna be Precious Petals, and it's the it's the Mega Glow from Wet n Wild. For this fresh, I'm gonna just take my kabuki brush and I'm gonna blend that highlight out a little bit. So I need some lash glue, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put on some mascara on my lashes. I'm gonna curl them bad boys first. I'm gonna give my under eye a little loving. A little love, a little TLC, while I try to find what lippy I'm gonna wear today. I think I got it. And this is the NYX Whipped lipstick in the shade Cocoa Bean. This is Cocoa Bean. And I'm also going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Taking this shade and I'm going to dab it. And I'm also going to be taking some of the shade, the eyeshadow shade. And some at the lip. Taking In Love from LA Colors. Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, ask questions, make your comments, whatever. Y'all know. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all on my next video.